Hi there. Okay, real quick, putting some holes in these cabinet doors to accept the European hinges. And I see a lot of people making all kinds of jigs and wasting time. It's not necessarily a waste of time if you want to make stops and do all that stuff. But time is money, and you can do things in a real simple way if you just use your brain and you need to get it done. So that's what I did. I made this table a long time ago for this cheapy drill press, and this fence is off of an old Sears Craftsman saw. I got a couple register lines to line the door up. I'm going to eyeball the center. I've got my dust collection just hanging here, and I'm able to brace the door down and direct the dust collection at the same time. It only takes a few minutes, not even that, seconds. And my switch for turning on my dust collection. Is something I figured out, but I just eyeball it. That bench there just so you can see it. Normally it wouldn't be in the way. I'm trying to show off, you see what happens? Always remember, don't be a show off. Simple. Holes are dig. I'm not breathing any dust, which is good because I hate this MDF stuff. And it's that easy. It doesn't have to be complicated. That's it. Have a good day. Check out MikeZDesign.com. Hit the little blue button for the Facebook page because that's really where I keep up with all this stuff. And enjoy your day.